To give users the ability to add a profile picture, we need a way to adjust uploaded pictures. For that, we can use ImageMagick, which is able to resize, compress, and remove metadata from pictures. To use ImageMagick, we need to add it to the other dependencies in the default.nix file. After that, we need to run the nix shell and check if our project builds. If that works, we can force the rebuild of the environment. Now we are able to use ImageMagick in our IHP app. Next, we need to add a field for the location of the profile picture of a user. This should be nullable, so that the user can have no profile picture. Next, let's head into the user's controller. There, we need to adjust the update user action to process a profile picture. We first need to set up the configuration for ImageMagick so that the uploaded image is resized, compressed, and all metadata is removed. To upload the image, we can use Upload Image with the options and the field from the picture URL. To make the picture input field work, we need to fill the picture URL as a parameter. Next, we need to create the form for the profile picture. For that, let's add a preview and a file input field with the name picture URL. I'm also going to add some styling and a button to trigger the browser select file dialog. With that, we are now able to upload a profile picture. Next, let's incorporate the user's profile picture to the author info of a post. For that, we just need to put the author's picture URL into the source of an image element.